Welcome to a full day of eating and exercise. Okay, my wife and I, we have a tennis court maintenance job. We take care of 6 clay courts. We did that job. So that entails some physical activity. We have to groom all the courts, do the lines, pick up anything around there that is fungal. Because see, that's the thing with clay courts. They create fungus. So there's some shoveling, there's some lifting. So that was the beginning of our day. We start that job at like 6 a.m. Okay, so that job is done. Before I left for that job, I had 12 ounces of fresh squeezed Valencia orange juice. I got those yesterday in Immokalee. They're from California, super sweet. So
this one finished, and the next one
you'll have some oranges?
Grapefruit and tangerine and
That's early. That would be great.
yeah.
September. I'll be the first person here.
All right, you got it.
I ended up with 5 boxes. These are not Florida oranges. They're from California, but they are Valencias. So they're good juice orange. So sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Today, I'll have to say this is a win, because to get Valencia oranges in August is a win. Sweet. So that's all I had before we went to do the job. Now I'm going to do some exercise. I like to exercise pretty much on an empty stomach. So I'm going to go do some exercise. I'm going to do the rebounder, and I'm going to do some lower leg work with weights. So let me show you that now. Okay, what I did is 12 minutes on the rebounder with 6 sprints like this, 30-second sprints. The whole routine takes 12 minutes. I run hard for 30 seconds and then rest for 90 seconds. I'm using my Garmin there to time myself. Okay, as soon as 90 seconds are up, I'm right back to the sprint. Okay. Okay, what I'm doing here is tibialis raises. The tibialis is the muscle that runs next to the shin bone in the front of the lower leg. Underrated muscle, you really need to train it. It's good for stopping and going and jumping, good for longevity. So I'm doing 20 reps here, and I'm going to do 5 sets for a total of 100 tibialis raises. I point to the tibialis here at the end. You'll see it runs next to the shin bone right there. Okay, next exercise, calf raises. I'm using a 20-pound kettlebell. In the tibialis raises, I was using a 30-pound kettlebell. So I'm doing 10 reps here. I'm going to do 5 sets for a total of 50 calf raises for each leg. Okay, so I got my rebounder done, I got my weights in. Now it's time for a little more nourishment. What I have in here, 12 ounces of fresh squeezed OJ, Valencia oranges, and 2 Atolfo or champagne mangoes blended. awesome drink. I mean, this is probably, if I was on a desert island and I could only have one drink, this is it right here. Orange juice and mango blended. It's off the charts, off the charts. Okay, so I'm gonna drink this down. I'm taking a little break. Then I'm going out for more exercise. I'm gonna hit some tennis balls with the ball machine. Okay, it's time to hit some tennis balls. I've got 60 balls in the ball machine, and I'll go through anywhere from 4 to 5 rounds. So that's what, 4 rounds, 240, forehands and backhands. If I do 5 rounds, 300. My math's not that good. Okay, so 300 if I do 5 rounds. Now, I have this set so I can go back and forth, forehands and backhands. And I, like to keep moving the entire time. So my feet are always moving, even if a ball is not hit and I don't have to go to that shot, my feet are still moving. All right, here we go. Alrighty, it's lunchtime and I've got like a ditto from the other day, pretty much the same, except this is not ice cream. I've got 5 bananas blended with 1 mango. I've got 1 chopped mango on top. I've got blueberries, strawberries on top, and I've got some red seedless grapes in there as well. And of course, the dried mulberries. Those dried mulberries, if you haven't tried them, they're great because they give you some crunch. So, I've got close to 1,000 calories here, and that's my lunch. Stick around for dinner. It's going to be interesting. Very simple, super simple. Alrighty, see you later. Okay, after lunch, I took a shower. I lied down for about 15 minutes. I did some studying, and then I got up. I did some yard work. Tomorrow, they pick up all the leaves, twigs, and clippings, things like that. So I got a huge bucket out there for the guys in the morning to pick up. And now I've got a little time before dinner. I like to eat early, 4:35. And then if I want some ice cream, I can still go for it at 6. 7 o'clock is usually the latest I will eat anything. Okay, so I figured let me pump out some push-ups. I used to be able to knock out 50 just like that. Those were back in the old days, but now I want to see if I can get back to 50, you know, without stopping. So I'm going to do 3 sets right now. I'm going to do a set of 20, then I'm going to do 15 and 15 for a total of 50 push-ups. So here's the first set, 20. Here we go. Hold that plank. Just holding the plank is good exercise. So that's the first set. 2 more to go. Knock out 50, and I've been doing more and more push-ups because I want to see if I can get back to 50 straight. All right, I'll see you at dinner time. Okay, I'm just about to eat dinner. I had a little bit of watermelon juice, maybe 8 to 12 ounces, and now I'm going to have my dinner. And remember, I told you my dinners are simple. Okay, in this one, I've got 5 ingredients. Let me show you. Here's my dinner. 5 bananas, a tablespoon of chia seeds, tablespoon of flax seeds, lots of leafy greens, spring mix in here, and about 12 ounces of water. Remember, leafy greens, they're going to give you your minerals. You need them. And vegetables in general. Eat them. They're good for you. And also, you're going to get a lot of protein from your greens and your vegetables as well. So I'm going to blend that up and have dinner. And then, it's early right now. It's only like 4:20. And then a little bit later, I'm going to make some ice cream, and I'll show you that as well. Okay, it's around 6 o'clock, and it's nice cream time. And I was a little anxious about making this, and my bananas were not that frozen. So it's very soft ice cream. But let me just tell you how I made this. I put 1 room temperature banana, actually, yeah, one banana in the blender with 3 medjool dates, 2.5 tablespoons of raw carob, and then I put in 5 semi-frozen bananas and about 2 cups of frozen strawberries. So this is for my wife and I, or my wife and me, I should say. My English, I'm working on my English. My wife, who's from Holland, speaks better English than I do, so she helps me. But anyway, I'm going to have some ice cream. So that's it for the day. I'm not going to eat any more after today. Go to sleep so I get a good, 12 hours where I'm not eating anything. The body rests. And at night, your body really detoxifies. So that's it. Please give me a like, a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you're notified anytime I put up another video. All the best, guys. Time to fruit up. Take care.